Hello students, today we are going to study about quadrilaterals. As we know, quadrilaterals, we generally know it has four sides and four angles like this. Let us talk about quadrilateral. We will go for the lateral means. It consists of two parts. First one is quad and another one is lateral. Here the quad means 4 or numerically 4 and lateral means side. Hence, the quadrilateral means a figure, a shape which is closed. First, it should be closed. Another, it has four sides, and this combined will make a figure like this, which we call quadrilateral. As we know, different types of quadrilaterals like rectangle, square, rhombus, parallelogram, and trapezium, and like the other kites. Okay, and also we know little bit the angle sum property of the quadrilateral, which is 360 degree. As you know, sum of angles of quadrilateral which is equals to 360 degree. That means if it is a quadrilateral, any kind of quadrilateral, if we take any kind of quadrilaterals, whether it is a rectangle, a square, or a trapezium, each of these angles we combine to measure and give 360 degree each of them. Each of them combine to give 360 degree individually. Okay, we can verify it using different kinds of methods. First of all, which is very easy one, take a protector, and measure each of the angle and write and measure it. Right, angle 1, suppose take this angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4 and measure each of the angles 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Any of the quadrilateral you take and measure using protector, and you will get angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4, which is equals to 360 degree. Okay, we will verify this property using another method, using a tool. Okay, now consider this is a quadrilateral. You can take any kind of shape. This is a rectangular one. Okay, we have four angles A, B, C and D. Now we will place it here. Okay, what we will do, we will cut these four angles and try to make a 360 degree from it. Okay, we have these three. I cut it out. These four angles, angle A, I will keep it here. This is angle A, this is angle B, this is angle C, and this is angle D. Okay, if we will take out these four angles, cut it and paste it like this, taking angle B, take out angle B and paste it right here, angle B. This is angle C and we will paste it like here, and this is angle D and we will paste it right here. Now what we will see, this combination of all the four angles form a circle which will give a whole of 360 degree. This will be 360 degree. If we measure by a protector or something else, we will get a whole circle which measures 360 degree. Okay, now we will go for another method. For the verification of this property, we will use mathematical term like this. let us we take any kind of quadrilateral like this, which is A, B, C and D. Okay, now we will take any diagonal, any of the diagonal AC or BD, any one. Let us we take AC and we will mark the angles. Angle 1, this is angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6. Now we have to show that the sum of all the angles will give me 360 degree, and we have to verify that mathematically. Now we will take, as we know the angle sum property of triangle. What we know? The sum of interior angle of triangle is equals to 180 degree. Okay, we know this, and we have got two triangles, which is triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Now we will take triangle ABC. What we will get? In triangle ABC, we get angle 1, angle 3 and angle 4. We get angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 4, which is equals to 180 degree. We will take this equation first. Now we will take the another triangle, which is ADC. We will take in triangle ADC, we will get angle 2, angle 5 and angle 6. We will take angle 2 plus angle 5 plus angle 6. This will also give 180 degree using what property? This is we will take this is equation 2. We will get this 180 degree, and using this property, sum of interior angle of triangle, this will give 180 degree. Now we will add these two equations. Now we are gonna add these two equations, and what we will get, we will see here. On adding equation 1 and equation 2, we will get what? Angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 2 plus angle 5 plus angle 6. Okay, we have written the LHS of both the equation. Now we will add the RHS, 180 degree plus 180 degree. Now this will give me 360 degree. Now we have here angle 1 plus angle 2, this will give angle A, angle 3 will be angle B, and 4 plus 5 will be angle C, and angle 6 will be angle D. Now we have 1 plus 2, that means angle 1 plus angle 2 will give me angle A. Now you will add angle 3. Angle 3 will give me angle B. 4 plus 5, angle 4 plus angle 5 will give angle C, and then the rest angle 6 will be angle D. Now this is the equation what we wanted to prove. So here we see what the sum of interior angles of quadrilateral will be equals to 360 degree, hence proved. I think you will understand this. Thank you.